Your drinking water test kit comes with 2 tests. The one that comes in the silver bag tests for nitrates. You'll use the inorganic test instructions for this test. The one that comes in the white box tests for bacteria. You'll use the other set of instructions for this test. For each test, you will fill out an information form. It's important that these are filled out fully and accurately for you to get your results. Put the freezer pack for the nitrate test into the freezer so it will be cold when we are ready for it. Next, collect the sample for the bacteria test. Make sure to get it from the faucet you typically drink from. Write your last name and phone number on the side of the bottle. This is how the lab will know the sample belongs to you. Run the cold water at full flow for 3 to 5 minutes. Remove the cap from the bottle, breaking the seal. Do not touch the mouth of the bottle or rinse it out. The powder preserves the sample. Lower the water flow. And fill the bottle to slightly above the 100 milliliter line. Screw the bottle cap back on tightly. Put the bottle back into the box that it came in. Fill out one of the forms. You need to fill out a form for each sample. Now we'll collect the sample that will be tested for nitrates. We'll do it the same way we just did for the bacteria sample. Once you've collected the sample, get the freezer pack and put it into the silver envelope along with the water sample and the completed form. Now that both samples are collected and packaged, it's easiest to drop them off at your local health office or the lab. Find locations and drop-off times on the sheet in the kit. Remember, samples need to be tested on the same day they are collected. Results will be emailed to you within 3 to 7 days. Visit HealthVermont.gov/WaterTesting to learn more about your results and next steps.